Hi, welcome to Technology Expert World. Today I will show you that the design of mosaic animation. First of all, I will give you some information about the mosaic animation. It's 16 different boxes or rectangular shape. Sorry, not rectangular. It's a square shape with differentiated within 16 boxes. Here you can see the shape. It's a square box and differentiate with the 16 boxes. And so in this program we will first declare about our boxes shape. So first is body. It's a similar things of the previous animation also, and the mosaic loader. So these things will show the cell of the mosaic 16 boxes. So every box should be defined inside the program is cell D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D6. So mosaic loader, here you can see what kinds of color will be shown inside the animation when it's moved from up to down. This color will be shown on the mosaic animation. So I have just changed the color for the seriousness of this animation, because when the color is damped like dark color you select, this animation not look so good. So when you use the light color for this mosaic, so this will create some reflects and different things, like it look like something good and something different. So that's why I have changed some light color. So you can change it by yours as your wish. Okay, now I will just save and reload the program again. So after all, you can see here the nth child number is 16, because our boxes is 16 boxes inside this square shape, and the rest one is the key ripple. This is the animation part of the movement and how the color will move from up to down. So within these single keyframes we have declared background color is transparent. When it goes up to down, the another shape is become transparent, you can see, like dark. So when the color is going, the boxes will showing the darkness for some time. This is called the transparent system. And here every cell will be defined under the division section inside the body. So this is all about the similar things for the rest of the program. So this is the end of this, and hope you like this, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.